The bond between the dog and the cat is a quiet, extraordinary kind of love. One that blossoms gently between two different souls. One is full of playful energy. The other moves with calm grace. Yet somehow their hearts meet in perfect balance. They learn each other without words. The happy rhythm of a wagging tail. The slow, trusting blink of soft eyes. They share golden afternoons bathed in sunlight. Peaceful evenings curled close in silent thought. When the dog is restless, the cat brings calm. When the cat is distant, the dog stays near, patient and warm. In the soft brush of fur and the quiet space they share, there lives a simple, beautiful truth. Friendship isn't about similarity, it's about acceptance, understanding, and choosing each other every single day.